Alrighty, so 71 into 33,240. So starting out, the trick is, well, 71 won't go into 3, it won't go into 33. So you go all the way out to here and you imagine that this is 332. And you think, okay, what's 71 into 332, right? Yeah, that'd be a good guess. Another little trick is if you close that off and close that off, it's 7 into 33, right? And just kind of, and that'll help you estimate. So what would 7 into 33 be anyway? Right, it'd be 4, right? Yep. So yeah, and 1 second, little doggy is scratching at the door. I'll be back in a second. Come here. Hey, doggy. Come here. Come here. Say hello. Get my headphones off. There he is. He's just getting worried. Okay. Oh yeah, there he is. So yeah, there's the dog. Dog's happy again. All right. Okay. So 7 into 33 about 4 times. Yeah. So and over here, maybe we should probably, yeah. So if you want to, you can do 71 times 4 and see what happens. I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to go 7 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7, 28. And then subtract, right? Right, cool. Yep. Sure. And so subtracting 2 minus 4 won't go, so we got to borrow. So that becomes a 2. And this is a 12. So 12 minus 4, 8. And 2 minus 8 won't work, so we've got to borrow from this guy. That becomes a 2. This becomes a 12 now. And 12 minus 8 is 4. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. You can put a 0 there if you want to. It doesn't matter. But nicely now, the 48 is less than 71, so 4 was a good guess, right? But it's okay. Like if somebody guessed, 3, and this was more than 71, well, that's okay. Just try again. Or if you guessed 5, and it was, it did not subtract, then that's okay. But trial and error is fine, especially when they get kind of long like this or bigger numbers. It's hard to guess sometimes. That's okay. Alright, so the next step in the algorithm is you take this 4 and you drop it down here, right? Right, which is good. It shouldn't. And so we drop this down and now it's 71 into this. Right. And again, a trick might be, why don't we just block off that 4, block off that 1, and just think, okay, to help you all guess, just guess 7 into 48. Take your time. Right, so yeah, we could try 6. Yep. Again, if it doesn't work, I've got my white out here. You guys might have an eraser if you're using a pencil. Doesn't matter, it's fine. If it doesn't work, it's fine. But 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 7, 42. And now subtract. And let's see, 4 minus 6 won't work, so I need to borrow. And from the 8, that becomes a 7. That becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. And 4 minus 4, 0. So this 58 is less than 71, which it should be. That's a good thing. And now we can bring this guy down. Right. Yes, there you go. Good. Take your time, no rush. Yeah, that's a good guess. Yeah. Okay, so again, blocking the 0 off, block the 1 off, and let's think 7 into 58. That's a good way of doing it. So anyone watching from home, you feel free to press pause and finish this up and then play the video ahead. But 7 into 58, like 7 eighths is 56. So yeah, 8 might be a good guess. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 7, 56. And now subtract. Perfect, yep. So, yep, that becomes a 7, borrow 1. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. And we've got to the end of it. And this 12 is less than 71, that's good. So that is the remainder. You guys can just leave your answer like that. You don't have to write, I mean, if you want, you can write 468, remainder 12. But obviously, this is correct. I mean, just say, hey, that's the remainder down there, right? So, yeah, and I checked the book, and that is correct. So, good.